So welcome to Nucanic. Today here on Nucanic we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra. On this Nissan Sentra we're going to go over how you remove this door panel to be able to gain access for replacing the window or the regulator, anything behind it, and also the side mirror and everything there. So to start with, you would of course open up the door. Also, the window, if you're removing the window and the regulator is slightly functional, you would want to, there's a measurement, and you do it right here at the back corner. I've made a measurement right here at the back corner. So anywhere between 3 to 4 inches, this is sitting at 3.5 inches, to the top of the window there. From the window trim, we'll put the holes that you need to undo to remove that window. It'll put them right in a line, and so that way you don't need to undo it, put it back on, just to adjust it. You can make that measurement and that adjustment right there so that you can just go ahead and remove and do the work. So to start with, we have 3 things that we're going to start with removing. We need to pop this off. This little cover here pops off. This stays attached to the vehicle at this moment, and then we pop this cover off. So to start with, we're going to pop this cover and just use your non-marring tool, backside, and you'll just pop, work your way around there, and it pulls up. And then once you pull it up, oops, my electric connector's coming undone. But once you pull it up, you would press the electric connectors to unclip them, and we can set that to the side for the moment. Here is a number 10 bolt that sits in there that you would remove. So we've got that piece done. Next, we have this, and this just kind of pops out, but if you work your way around by pulling it to one side, you can get the clips that are holding it in. These clips are holding it to the door handle. And so we've pop and remove that. And we have this right here. Same thing, using your non-marring tool. There's just one little clip inside there. Pop it and then just rock it to come up, and that way you can remove this, which gives you access to the bolts to remove that. But also, when you're removing the door panel, it won't hold you from removing the door panel. So with those 3 pieces removed, now you can use your same non-marring tool to go around. Right here is a good lip to get in, and then you'll be able to work your way around and be removing or popping all of the push pins that hold the door panel on. So we've got all this side. I'm going to get this side. And then with all of those popped, you can just grab, and you're going to pull it out because we want to clear this door handle mechanism, and then just pull it out at an angle, pull it up, and you can remove the whole door panel. So that's the whole door panel that has been removed from the vehicle for all of your access needs inside that door panel to be able to work. So thanks for watching Nucanic, where you can be the mechanic